Hey guys, welcome back. So it's Friday, it's noon, and we're heading back down to the range. And you might be asking, why would you be going to the range on a Friday around noon? Tomorrow, the Walter Klein range has a black powder silhouette match, which is set up basically the same as the centerfire silhouette match from the last video, only it's all black powder stuff. 4570s, you know, I don't even know all the rules, so I'm not going to get into that. I haven't been to one of those yet. I'm really looking forward to it. And then it's going to be one more rifle that I have to buy, right? But today, on Fridays before the black powder match, they have a 22 rimfire silhouette match. And that's what we're going to today. I was able to get out of work a little bit early. So they have it at 1 o'clock Friday afternoon, which is not the most convenient time for people to show up, but luckily it's not too far from where I work, and I was able to get out a little early, and we're going to give that a shot today. I did a few of them last year. It's a blast. I really love it. The ranges are 50, 100, 150, and 200 yards. It's the same targets: rams at 200, turkeys at 150, pigs at 100, chickens at 50. Setup, it's all shot the same way as well. The chickens at 50 are offhand. The rest is all off of shooting sticks, bipods, whatever you do. The chickens at 50 yards are about the size of maybe a golf ball, so it's really interesting. And the times are different. We have 10 targets instead of 5. And I believe you have 4 minutes to engage all 10 targets. So we'll see how it goes down there. I'll finish up once we hit the range.
Which one are you doing? Or do you move?
No, Barnell. How many are you?
Back from 10 animals. You have 8 minutes, 15 seconds. Ready.
For the record, this was Chris's first time shooting one of these.
Fire.
And he ended up winning the day. I can't remember.
Just over top.
If he shot a 34, 35, 36, something like that. He shot pretty dang good, I'll tell you that much. We're going to go with beginner's luck. How about that, Chris?
Oh, yeah, go on. Right over its head. Doing good. Plenty of time. 6. You got plenty, all the time in the world. 6 minutes, 40 seconds for the last 5.
Oh, man. You got him the hard way. Oh, I got him? Yeah, he hit the rail and over he went. Okay, good. Pound sense. I know it.
I shot 1,000.
I did. Well, I don't hear.
37. But on the unsupported 1,000, we had one site set 10 minutes too. The guys down the pit said just over top of it, pretty well centered. 12 feet. It's a wonder it didn't let you run off. Normally, if they're not bumping up, they just take off of them and right in
Kind of under better give me some
I know you hit them low.
white pin high.
Belly line or one of the legs.
Got him. Little high on the back.
Start to drop.
Left to center, that was a good break through to half right. That's on.
Got him.
Good shape. Fit. I don't think I gave you a big enough correction on that one.
Same condition.
That was in the neck. Don't go left.
Good
Don't
shoot.
break.
Okay.
That was a hit.
I couldn't see the impact.
Mirage is way down, almost gone.
Pretty sure I know where it was.
That Mirage went into a boil, and you went way up there. So I just learned something there. But you centered up.
Go low.
Still in a boil. I don't know what you want to do.
Two left.
You hit it.
I'm on him. Same, no change.
You hit it. I'm trying to find it.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's about only one more than me.
Okay. They're fine. They're fine. They're just walleye. Shove me over here.
Good thing on pig, I'm shooting that way, so then it's me a little bit.
Yeah, they're fine. All right, I think I'm settled in.
Almost smacked you thinking he was I heard him. I was looking here and you were jabbering. I was almost ready to go ahead. I don't know him.
What's that?
You might hit me back.
Yeah. 26 and a half. No wind. We'll see. 200-yard rams.
Very good. Swinger. You mean, let's verify. Same hole, same rock.
Right in the front,
Yeah, it had to have been in the front leg.
which is actually where I was aiming. So that's weird.
Double that hole. Let's go to the line nice and easy. Same hole.
Okay, I'm gonna come down.
Distance are the same. Nice and easy. Number one, back two.
I came down. Take one more.
I don't know where it hit him.
I-
He actually fell forward.
Yeah.
I swear I've seen the bullet fly.
Okay, let's go.
All right, guys. Well, here we are like a month later because I was doing the editing for this video and realized that I lost some footage. So, as promised, here's a little walk around of my rifle and a little bit of the gear I used and whatnot. But, so it is a Christensen Arms Ranger 22. It's all carbon fiber and aluminum. Sorry, aluminum also. I use a Ruger SR22 suppressor. I shoot CCI standard velocity ammo, and you probably saw these in the video. It's a corkboard scorecard. Montana Vintage Arms, they sell them. So when you can spot hits with it, and each one of these squares, it's 1 MOA, and it's actually scaled so that it works. I mean, this is 1 MOA on here, but it's the same, the target's life size, you know, so you can see the size of these squares are different than the size of those squares and those squares. It's a little bit, but they are different. So they're scaled so that your spotter can say, hey, you hit right, you know, right here, or whatever, right here, right at the edge. So come in 3 MOA, whatever you got to do. So yeah, grab your 22s. Oh, sorry, I've got an Arkin scope. I think this is a 6 through 24 power. I had a Vortex Diamondback Tactical, loved it, and it's a lot lighter weight than this Arkin, but I got a good deal on this and I just wanted to test it out. I'm happy with it. Real big knobs, easy to turn. It came with the rings, the level, the throw lever, all the stuff, the caps, which caps kind of get in the way. But I am happy with that scope, and the whole package was like, God, I want to say like $325 or something, $350 when I ordered it. So I just wanted to try it out, and I'm pretty impressed. The bipod, I think it's a True Glow carbon fiber, you know, kind of cheaper, but I'm satisfied with it. And that's a Magpul sling, but that doesn't really matter for what we do. But yeah, that's just a quick little overview of what I'm running. I went with the Ranger 22 because it is so lightweight. The rifle weighs less than the scope, okay? For the 50-yard offhand, that's why I wanted the lightest weight rifle I could find, and that's pretty much it. All right, thanks. We'll see you at the next one.